Hello, my name is Mazharul. I am a recovering addict. After treatment, why we relapse? Firstly, substance knowledge relapse hetu nohoy. Manu ejon physically relapse hoar agote mentally relapse hoy. Jodihe tar behavior and thought agor nisnai thake. So ami behavior and thought or uporot gurutto diato dorkar. Mur nijor experience or pora kisuman karon kobo bisaru. Firstly, not maintain a disciplined life, not taking support, overconfident, poor relationship with family, try to escape from problems, not doing any activity, money in pocket, poor financial habits depends on family. We can prevent relapse if we are not doing these things and follow certain rule and regulation and improve ourselves. Keep it simple, brother. Thank you.